Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I am back again with another video. I know I'm a little late, but this video is all about that you girls are gonna love and cherish. So this video contains 5 kind of essential jeans that every girl must have. I have styled these jeans with different kinds of tops and t-shirts that you all gonna love. Please do check it out this video and tell me, did you like it or not? Let's dive into the video. So first jeans that I have got for all of you guys is this straight fit high-rise jeans that I have ordered from Myntra. It's a really comfortable jeans and you can use it to go to college or go for traveling or anywhere, like for a date or something like that. Trust me, this is one of the most comfortable jeans that I'll be showing you out of all the collection. So this is a jeans that I have purchased just for 900 bucks, and for a jeans to pay 900 bucks and that's so comfortable, I think that's a really pretty good deal. So another jeans that I have got for all of you is that this high-rise flare jeans is in navy blue color, and again I have ordered this jeans from Myntra, and this comes from a brand called Coty, and it's just for 900 bucks. And this, as you can see, it has got wide legs, wide bottoms, so it is really comfy, this jeans, and you can style it in a different kind of a way. And just for 900 bucks, I think this is a pretty good deal. You should grab it right now, and just go and check it out. You're gonna love this jeans because I really love it. It is really comfortable. So again, now this is another kind of a jeans that I really want you girls to try. This is a high-waisted or high-rise jeans that's a navy blue color, and it's a skinny fit. It really fits you well along with the legs, and it is really comfortable. It covers your abdominal area. Like as you can see, I have protruding belly so I really need to hide it when I'm styling myself. So this is really good for me since it's high-waisted and it covers your waist area, and most important, it gives you the right curves that you need into your body, and it fits you really well, that you must have it in your wardrobe. And it's from the brand called Dolce Crudo, and it is just for 1100 rupees. So you should definitely go check it out and try this one since it's a pretty good deal. So another kind of jeans that I have here for you is a boot cut jeans. Now you must have heard about this kind of a jeans since it's really in trend today, and I have purchased this from Jealous 21 from Central some long time before, and I don't remember the price of this jeans, but let me tell you, it is one of the most comfortable jeans over here, and it gives you a really good fit and that kind of a smartness, and you can pair it up with boots and with a good t-shirt or a top, and looks fabulous on you. It's a must-have in your wardrobe. Go and check it out, this jeans. So another kind of jeans that I really need to share with you is this boyfriend jeans. It's a low waist damaged jeans that I have purchased from the brand called Moda Rapido, and it's just for 900 bucks, and it really gives you a cool look, and you can pair it with a white t-shirt or a white top. It really enhances your look, and white sneakers. As you can see, I have paired here with my look, and this is a jeans that is really in trend today. You can go and wear it to the college or while traveling or anywhere, and it looks super cool if you want to go and hang out with your friends. So yeah, you should have this one in your wardrobe since I really like it, so I wanted to share it with you. And with this, I come to the end of this video, girls. Let me know, did you like this video or not? Did you like it? The kind of jeans that I have shared with you and the kind of styling that I have done in this video, and also did you like my this look as I have styled myself? So let me know if you want me to make such kind of videos. And another video that I'm planning to make is essential kind of pants or trousers that a girl must have in her wardrobe. And just to tell me, girls, since I'm an amateur and I'm starting new, so what kind of a content would you like to would you like me to create for you all? And just give me some ideas to enhance it. So I'll meet you again and comment below in the comment section, did you like this video or not, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And again I'll come and meet you again. Bye bye, girls, love you. कोटी कोटी बोल रहा है भैया.